Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock, guys. So this is one of our freshly built Rig Ready Rams. So we put a nice level kit on it, 35-inch tires for you guys. You can have your adaptive cruise control in the front, your tow hooks, 6.7 Cummins Diesel engine underneath the hood for you. You're going to have your tow mirrors here, running boards already installed for you. Getting into your passenger seat here, so you can see full bench across the front for you guys with that 12-inch display. All-weather mats all throughout, so it is nice and easy to keep clean for you guys. Getting into the back, you can also raise your back seat to give you a ton of storage under here. 2 cup holders for you as well. Coil spring setup, you're gonna have black exhaust tip. Come around back, you're gonna have your backup camera here, trailer tow. Drop down the tailgate, you're gonna have bed hooks and full fifth wheel prep, so you're set to work from day one with this one, guys. Rear sliding window for you. As we move here, you will find your diesel and DEF nice and easily accessible to you into the rear seat on this angle, where you can still see, even with the seat recline, tons of legroom for you. Power windows all throughout the truck. You're gonna have heated mirrors and blind spot here, so you never need to worry about fogging up. And then getting into the driver's seat, where you can see your full leather wrapped wheel, column shifter, power mirrors, heated seats, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.